Mutable AI has been making waves in the coding community, but is it really worth the hype? If you're someone who struggles with code or just wants to streamline your workflow, this might catch your interest. Let's dive in and see what this tool is all about. So, what exactly does Mutable AI do? At its core, it's an AI-powered coding assistant designed to help developers write and debug code more efficiently. It claims to provide real-time suggestions, auto-completions, and even error detection, which sounds fantastic, especially for those who might not be seasoned pros in programming. The user interface is sleek and straightforward, making it accessible for newcomers, while also offering enough depth for experienced developers. However, I noticed that the onboarding process could use a bit more guidance. It feels like there's a lot to unpack, but not enough handholding for those just starting out. One thing that stands out is the focus on collaboration. Mutable AI allows teams to work together in real time, which could be a game changer for remote developers. Still, it's not entirely clear how well it integrates with other popular coding environments, which might be a deal breaker for some. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, Mutable AI's real-time suggestions can significantly speed up coding tasks, which is a big win for productivity. Its collaborative features are also a strong point, especially for teams. However, there are frustrations. The lack of clear integration options with other coding platforms might limit its usability for some. Plus, while the AI can be helpful, it occasionally misses the mark with suggestions that aren't quite relevant, which can be a bit annoying. Trust signals another concern. There's limited user feedback out there, making it hard to gauge the overall reliability of the tool. If you're a beginner, you might find the learning curve steeper than expected, while seasoned developers may not find enough value to justify the investment. In conclusion, Mutable AI could be a solid choice for teams looking to boost their coding efficiency, but it's not without its flaws. If you're new to coding, you might want to explore other options first. Overall, it's worth a try, but proceed with a bit of caution regarding its integration capabilities.